Hey guys, me and Cody went
It's your
on
boy.
It's really not. We went on a walk down the trail yesterday and we found this great place that I've never been to before. It's like a platform.
Pennywise lives here. He offered cake.
Stop. I'll show you that. Hold on. We found this we came upon this platform on our walk yesterday, and I decided that I was gonna have some pictures taken here. And then we came back today to do we did it again. Because I posted my pictures on Instagram. And you know, your girl likes having her pictures well received. Look, I want to show you the cake. Cake. It's backwards, but it's cake. Now we have to journey back to Cody. It's very pretty here. Look at all this graffiti. It's your boy. Graffiti.
It's a vlogger.
Look at all this really great graffiti. Music, crafts, food. Exciting. Loads of Germ 9 stickers. Wow. Pretty. So nice. Ew, there's spider webs everywhere. And this is the thing that we found.
What? Hello. How's it going, Amber subscribers who never watch her videos?
Stop.
Y'all people are rude for never watching her stuff. She makes the best covers.
It's full of shit. Today is apparently best friend day, and I'm spending it with my second best friend.
Ditto.
Thanks. Well, I'm gonna stop now. We're gonna continue being in nature, because we never do that. Bye guys.